Imagine a cradle, soft, gentle rocking, not a human hand but a robotic arm. This is the picture of AI in parenting. It feels strange, doesn't it?
AI promises to help us, to ease the burden. But at what cost? We are drawn to technology. It makes life easier. But when it comes to our children, we must be careful. Children need love. They need connection. Can a machine provide this?
The question lingers. It makes us uncomfortable, and rightly so. Because what is at stake is the very heart of what it means to be human, to love and be loved.
AI companions are becoming clever. They can read bedtime stories. They can answer questions. Some even mimic emotions. They can tell a child, "I care about you." But are these words enough?
A child laughs. The AI companion registers the sound. It processes it as positive. But can it truly understand the joy in that laughter? The wonder in a child's eyes?
We, as humans, are built to connect. We crave touch, eye contact, shared laughter. These are the building blocks of empathy, of love.
AI can be a tool. It can help us with tasks. It can provide information. But should it replace us as parents? Should we outsource bedtime stories, lullabies?
What happens to a child who receives more comfort from a machine than a human? Who learns about the world through algorithms instead of shared experiences?
These are not just hypothetical questions. They are our reality. We must think carefully about the choices we make today, because these choices will shape the future of our families.
The line between technology and humanity is blurring. It's tempting to seek easy solutions, but parenting is not easy. It is messy and challenging and beautiful.
Let's embrace the messiness. Let's be present for our children. Let's show them what it means to be human. Let's teach them that love, true love, cannot be programmed. It can only be given, from one beating heart to another.
The future is not written. We are writing it with every choice we make. Let us choose love. Let us choose connection. Let us choose humanity.